Hey guys, it is a valid and very important information. In IT, there are generally two types of learnings are there, and two types of work are going on. Some either in MNC or into product-based companies. Generally, not in the startups as well. But if we focus more on MNC and product-based companies, for example, what happens there are different type of sectors. Some are because many MNCs provide support to different clients, clients like Mercedes Benz. Okay, again there are different Toyota and to the banking support system to different types of bank, Indian and foreign banks. So what happens to the petrol pump? So like Shell is a petrol pump which the Indian companies MNCs provide the support. So in that there goes some different types of work. Like if you talk about learning about tool-based learning, so there are different types of tool-based learning. One is I will tell you there are multiple. One by one we'll tackle the things. In the CRM based, that is customer relationship management, the best tool which is used in the MNCs are Salesforce, and second one is Microsoft Dynamics, and in that third one is the Oracle CRM. Okay, so again, if the best one, the most popular and the good paid and the most for the all over the Fortune 500 companies, the most consumed product for the CRM tool is Salesforce, which different MNC companies like TCS, Accenture, Infosys, and some small service-based companies also give support to this type of clients. So they hire this particular type of roles like Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, and Salesforce testing team. So these three roles are generally hired, and yeah, if we go for the second type in the same Fortune 500, there are 80% share for ITSM tool based. The major player in this is ServiceNow, and ServiceNow, this competitor for ServiceNow are Freshers World, again Atlassian, Jira. So these are the companies which are there. I mean, these are the tool based. Okay, and most of the companies hire for the major 90% are occupied by ServiceNow and Atlassian, Jira, and the major player is ServiceNow here. So and all the different types of MNC which I already mentioned is are hiring for these roles, hiring for this tool. The roles are like say ServiceNow admin, ServiceNow development, and recently they have started ServiceNow DevOps as well, but developer has to do the same all things. And the whole agile methodology is being followed in Salesforce as well and ServiceNow as well. If we come to the third part, that is a ERP. So ERP system, the it is a enterprise resource planning. So it is generally offered and taken care for so many college based and school based system, and it is there it is taken care in other manufacturing sectors also. ERP system is taken care. So the major player where it works is like of SAP tool for ERP, and it has the most client with it, and the MNC company has for them as well. And if you go for the HRST, so HRST, the human resource systematic training, this in the whole human resource systematic the process to take care of the resource, the people who are getting employed. The HR team maintains, they are also ServiceNow plays a major role. And yeah, and so if we go towards another point is ERP is done, CRMs are done, and ITSM is done, service management service holders. Again, yeah. So these are the major things for tool-based things. Yeah, and although this point is less that regarding, I told about CRM, about CRM tools, ITSM tools. Again, ITSM CRM. Again, I told about ERP. There is one more tool-based approach which is process followed, that is BPM, business process management. Business process management, there are major players like Microsoft and Pegasystems. Okay, so but actually there is less demand. Means the supply and demand is slightly less, but it's also good. Okay, yeah. Now, if you go for the third thing, that is so there might be a question that who should go for tool-based learning and who should go for direct learning. Direct learning means who can build a tool or two for the client or a website for the client, or who should go for tool-based things. So see, both are good, but if you are very good at technical skills, programming skills, and you have good thinking ability, logic building things, so it is better to approach for direct learning, like learning a language and making the use of the framework to make that particular tool or make that particular website on which you can work on. But if you are means and if you are not that good and a little bit scared about the technical part of the things, so technical part generally means like the coding portions and the little bit knowledge toward networking. So and if you are not that confident about the things and you are slight difficult to grasp and you don't know much about DSA and stuff, it is better to go for tool-based learning, because already the tool-based learnings are already involved in the market. Fortune 500 companies are using, so the clients are always there. And once a company starts using a particular tool for some of its processes, it is very unlikely to for it to move to another tool or something for the same process, because the database is made, the system is going on, and the company already had adjusted the budget to get into that particular tool, to use that particular tool and their process flow for their work. So this both the sectors are both type of knowledge is good, and based on the opportunity you are getting. By the way, on the longer run, both are good. The direct might have little more benefits because number of opportunities are more in the direct, like if you're learning Java or JavaScript or Python or something like that. But tool-based learning might have slight less opportunities, but overall the ranges and the package range and the growth is almost the same. So yeah, it is better to have a work on your strength and weakness, and based on that you can get a specific idea towards what to select and what to keep. Means, for example, reject, like you go for tool-based learning or for direct learning of the things. So bye.